everyone, my name is Natasha Denise and welcome to my channel. If you're oldie but goodie, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. So in today's video, this is going to be a Sephora / Harvey Nichols haul. Okay, well, my husband took me, just a little backdrop, my husband took me to London and Canada last year, and when we went to London, we went to Harvey Nichols, and Rihanna had released her diamond collection, right? So of course, like, I just had to get it, but yeah, and then came home and purchased some other things from Sephora. Now some of these are some of these items I've had for a while and never opened. The Harvey Nichols is one of them. Look how beautiful this bag is. Oh my goodness, I cannot part from this bag. It's so gorgeous. Made me feel so fancy. The first thing that I had gotten from Harvey Nichols is, I don't want to mess up the bag. So the first thing that I had got from Harvey Nichols, and I can't believe I had these items for this long, is the Rihanna Diamond Bomb All Over. Now I know, like, everybody and their mama has like seen this, and even though I had it this long, I still never touched it or anything. Look at that. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. And look at this. Like, I'm not a glitter person. I'm really not, but this is so beautiful. Even the touch of it is, what type of texture is that? It's so different. But it's so beautiful. I would not mind wearing this this summer, like going to the beach or something like that. And another item that I picked up from Harvey Nichols, Diamond Milk. So I wanted to get this gloss bomb. Look how beautiful that is. I'm not gonna put it on my lips because I won't mess it up with my red lipstick. And it's the Fenty. This is the Fenty Stunner Paint Lipstick. And so those are the two items that I got from Harvey Nichols when I was in London. All these other products I got while I was here at home. So the next product that I got, which is from Sephora, was the Gloss Bomb and Fussy. And you all, everybody and their mom have seen this, but this is such a pretty pinkish color, and so I'm happy I got that. And then I did get the Invisa Pink Eye Primer. So it looks like this. So this is like a mini version of the foundation as well as the primer. It looked like a mini version of the concealer as well. I did pick up the concealer in 380, but I did have to go back and go get 360. I needed something lighter. Now 380 is beautiful, don't get me wrong. 380 is my complexion. So, and I love if you've been around with me from day one, then you know that I love concealers to be my complexion or a tad bit lighter. So this is pretty much my my complexion. I'm in a I know this is my complexion all the year round. It probably don't look like it because of the ring light. The ring light is making it much lighter, but yeah. But then I decided to get 360 because I did want something just a tad bit lighter, not too much. The next items that I got was the lip paint. So I did get Uncuff, Unveil, and Unbutton. I'm not gonna open these. You all have seen these all over YouTube. I'm just not posting them to my channel. But yes, I did get those. Another item that I got from Sephora was the waterproof eye makeup remover. And it looks like this. I have not used this because I wanted to film first, but I think Tiff J is the one who recommended this on her channel, and so you just can't go wrong with her recommendations. So I got the small bottle, not the big bottle. I wanted to try it out first. And last but not least, I got the Fenty Beauty Instant Retouch Setting Powder. And I got it in hazelnut. And so it looks like this. So beautiful. Loving the packaging. And I love the fact that I already took it out. So on the side, I'm sure you all have seen it on the side right here, just in case if you all have not purchased it, you about to, right here in this opening right here, it has the it comes with the protector shifter, this thing right here. And so just take that out and put it there. Yeah, I have not tried the powder, but I did test it on me a little bit. But yeah, I'm really excited to try that. And the very last thing that I had got was from Glow Recipe, and it's a watermelon glow, the sleep mask and the moisturizer with the hydrating mask. And it's just, this is just so cute. I'm end up giving this little purse to my daughter. It's something that she would love, to wear. This says her. But yeah, but this is like so cute. I love the packaging, but I heard amazing things about the watermelon one, and I kept wanting to get it, but it kept being sold out. Finally came across it. When did I come across that? In January. That's how long I had some of this stuff. Some of this stuff I had since November. But I came across it in January, I believe, and December or January, and I just went ahead and picked it up and got it. Well, thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this small little haul that I did. And if you did, like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate it. Love you guys. See you in the next video.